In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Perplexity AI app. By the end, you'll have the app installed from the Play Store, your account set up with your Google profile, and you'll be ready to start asking smart questions and getting helpful answers. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. This is where you safely download and update apps. Make sure you're connected to the internet and signed in with a Google account on your device so the download goes smoothly. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar and type Perplexity. Look for the official Perplexity AI app. You'll recognize it by its name and icon, and it should list Perplexity AI as the developer. Checking these details helps you avoid lookalike apps. When you find the correct app, tap Install. The Play Store will download and install it automatically. If the button says Update instead, that just means you've had it before. Updating is fine. If the download seems slow, switching to a reliable Wi-Fi connection can help. Also, if you see a storage warning, clearing space on your device may be necessary before proceeding. Once installation finishes, tap Open. The app will launch and guide you through getting started. When you reach the sign-in screen, choose the option to sign up or sign in with your Google account. This is the quickest way to create your account without entering a separate password. If you have multiple Google accounts on your device, pick the one you want to use with Perplexity. Follow the on-screen prompts. These may include agreeing to terms, reviewing privacy information, and optionally choosing preferences. Take a moment to read what's presented so you understand how your data is handled. If you're asked about notifications or permissions, select what you're comfortable with. You can adjust these later in your device settings. After you complete those prompts, you're all set. You're now ready to explore Perplexity. Use the search bar to type your inquiry in plain language, just like you would ask a knowledgeable friend. The clearer and more specific your question, the better the results you'll get. You can refine answers by asking follow-up questions, and you can try different phrasings if you're not getting what you need. If you're researching a topic, ask for summaries or explanations to save time, and consider including relevant details to tailor the response to your situation. That's it. Open the Play Store, search for Perplexity, install, open, sign up with your Google account, follow the prompts, and start exploring. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Perplexity to power your inquiries.